Good afternoon, Ms. Marylou Manrique. My name is Janet. I'm going to be doing a small recording, just asking you a couple questions regarding Dr. Pat Warden. What is your medical problem?
Well, I have many. One of them is my fibromyalgia.
Okay.
The other one is I have my high blood pressure.
Mhm.
I am a diabetic.
Mhm.
And many others.
Okay. Have you approached any other doctors before visiting Dr. Pat Warden? And if so, what did they say?
Yes, I did approach another doctors before, and they always tell me, well, there was nothing I can do, but that I got the fibromyalgia, I got my bone disease, with the two, and they both trigger me at the same time. My blood pressure was in no control. I did have very bad cholesterol, high, and now it is in order. My cholesterol, my sugar is still back and forth, but I did have another alternative with different doctors, and one rheumatologist suggested me Dr. Pat Warden. And I came and visited him, and I did like the way that, truly he went through all my sicknesses, and then I've been his patient since.
Okay. Now, how did you find Dr. Pat Warden? You said the rheumatologist referred you to him?
Yes.
Okay. How long have you been Dr. Pat Warden's patient?
I believe it is more than 12 years.
More than 12 years?
Yes.
Okay. Now, how are you able to pay for the treatment that Dr. Pat Warden provides? Do you have some sort of insurance, or did you have some sort of insurance when you first started to see him?
Yes. I have my medical and my Medicare.
Okay. Now, if you don't see Dr. Pat Warden, what other choices do you have for treatment?
Well, I really will have to search for another doctor to be like Dr. Pat Warden.
Okay. So you feel like he's a really good doctor. You don't think you'll find any other like him?
No, not to me, because he has really taken his time to find out all the problems that I do have, and then he takes the time to talk to me about it, the alternatives about my medication, and he's always there, when I need to talk to him about any question, of my sicknesses and how I feel this or that, So I'm really happy with Dr. Pat.
Okay, so he's never shut the door on you or never
No.
said, you know what, I'm busy, or like any other doctor would?
No, he even had called me at my home when I have questions, and I cannot get back to him, in that moment, because he's with a patient or something, the girls give him a message, and he called me and asked me what's the problem, or, whatever is my problem, he upon me to.
He helps you out with it?
To help me out with it.
That sounds very good. Now, do you consider yourself a loyal patient of Dr. Pat?
Yes.
Are you happy with the treatment so far that he's given you? Would you trade him for any other doctor?
No. I'm happy with Dr. Pat, and then I think, there is loyalty by loyalty, because he has been very loyal to me.
Okay. Now, you do know that there's some restrictions that have been placed on him. Have you encountered any problems due to those restrictions, like maybe trying to fill out prescriptions sometimes and they can't?
Yes.
How about, have you ever tried referring you to another doctor and can't because of the same thing?
Well, no, I'm being patient, try to see if everything be okay with the Dr. Pat Warden, because I would like to have my doctor. I don't want to have another doctor. I want to be able to come and see him and be his patient.
Okay. Now, before we end this, is there anything else you would like to add so maybe people can see that he is a good doctor and he doesn't need the restrictions that he has right now?
I really don't understand all those restrictions, but I think, that it's not fair for him to have these restrictions, because he always has done, not only with me, I have seen in other patients, they're very happy with him, because the girls work good with the patients. The doctor takes his time with every one of us, and listen to us, and you cannot find many doctors right now that you can sit down,
Mhm.
talk to them about how you feel
Mhm.
and how it is your medications working and when they working and when they triggering you
Mhm.
and he just listen
Mhm.
and marks down everything and then he try to give you solutions.
Mhm.
You know, like if you take your medication and if you do this and if you do that, you know, maybe you relax better, your medication can work better, you know. And as many years I've been sick.
Mhm.
And, you know, and Dr. Pat is really good doctor. I really don't understand why he can have all these restrictions.
Sounds very good. Now, last but not least, are you happy with Dr. Pat?
Yes, I am.
You are. Sounds good, Miss Marylou Manrique. Okay, so then that's pretty much it. This is it for the video. You know that if you need anything or you have any questions, you have Dr. Pat Warden's office, and you can come to us whenever you like.
All right.
Thank you so much, Ms.
Yes.
Manrique. Bye-bye.
Bye.